Hi Virgos, this is your September 2020 career reading. I have taken out your cards. The cards show your energy. So there will be some good energies, some bad energies around your career, job, money and finance. So let's see what you are going to do with the energies you are getting, how you are going to harness them, how you are going to leave some of them, and you will be advised by the angels of the course of action you should be taking in this month of September. So let's start your reading. The energies that surround you, the crowning energy which is there is the Ten of Cups. It's a beautiful energy of joy, beautiful energy of accomplishing something, and be in a situation of happiness. This is the ultimate happiness card in the deck. This means that there will be a success, there will be some joy in career, something new will happen in your career which will bring in this kind of happiness in your life. So this is going to pervade in the month of September. So be assured, people who are going through a crisis or who are going through some problems, for them the situation will change and a new thing will happen which will give you success. So let's see what is there that is giving you success. How is it going to come to you? The Wheel of Fortune is the first card. Apart from the crowning energy of Ten of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune came after that. Wheel of Fortune means that you are going to see a turn in your fortunes. The wheel will turn in your favor because it is in the upright. So it is going to bring in good luck and good news. So this will be in your job, in your studies, in your whatever you were trying to do, whatever you were putting in your energy in, that will be successful. There will be success because of the turning of the Wheel of Fortune. There will be some accomplishment of apparent accomplishment with the Four of Wands card. This means that there will be reward or success, reward for whatever you had done in the past. There will be completion of a project, there will be accomplishment, there will be a reward for that. So you will be either getting a promotion or you will be starting a new project, starting a new work. Some of you will get married to a rich person. Some of you will buy or sell property, include or attach more assets, get more properties, buy more properties, sell something and get more money. So there will be a situation of profit, there will be a situation of upgradation in your finances, money, and maybe some of you will get a promotion. So this is the kind of success you are going to get. You are going to be given something by the divine. It is predicted in this month of September. There will be celebration along the line. So the Wheel of Fortune, the Four of Wands, and the Three of Cups definitely signify that there will be success with the Ten of Cups. The definite success is going to come to you in the month of September. So this success might come in the beginning of the month. For some of you, it might come in the middle or in the end, but it is going to come to you. You are going, some of you are getting an opportunity, some of you are getting a new opportunity. People who are starting some startup, or people who are getting into a new job, you might be starting in the afresh. Some of you are starting afresh into a new line. So it will start from the scratch. It will start from the scratch, but it has the potential of taking you forward up to the level you cannot imagine. So it can be a big leap, a big jump, but right now you are feeling that you are starting from the scratch, but it will be successful. It has potential to be successful. However, the revelation is not yet complete, the illumination is not there. So there is this Moon card of doubt, there is this Moon card of maybe some of you not getting enough clarity about this new offer. So you need to find out about it, because I see you thinking about it and not getting a clear picture. I also see that some of you might start thinking alternatively, might start thinking how this opportunity will work out for you, and you will get out of your hangman energy, and you will try and see the thing in reality and not through some other perspective, because the hangman is reversed. So there is going to be clarity coming with the Queen of Swords who is coming in the picture. This will be a person, most probably this person will be having good judgment, who will be there with you in this endeavor, who can be your colleague, who can be your spouse, who can be your partner, who will give you clarity about this whole thing, because this person will be able to identify this situation for you, will be able to find out the profits this new offer can give to you. So this person will be helping you along the line towards success. So this air sign energy of Libra, Aquarius and Gemini can help you in getting to going towards your success. I also see some of you, because of this support, because of this new opportunity, might take a leap of faith, something you have never done before, something you can take a risk in this business, you can take you close your eyes and take the plunge. So this can happen for you. This is a leap of faith which you are going to take. You will not try to be in a comfort zone. You will try to get going towards your goal, towards your idea, and give it fruition through the Fool's energy. The Fool's energy means that you are going to take the plunge. So some of you will take the plunge after indecision of the moon and inactivity of the moon. So by the end of September and the beginning of October, you are going to be in this Venus in Virgo energy. You will have appreciation for beauty. You will have connection with beauty. You will people who are in the beauty industry, they will do well. People who are in arts, music and performing in the talent business will do well. So there will be this element of beauty around you, element of appreciating beauty. So you can have luxury, you can have affluence by the end of this month of September. So you you Virgo people will have a good energy around you by the end of the month. And it it can also trigger in some of you over analyzing, overthinking and being critical about yourself, because when Venus goes into Virgo, you start behaving like that because there is a element of self doubt or self critical approach. So this can make you indecisive in your decision making. So it can affect your decision also. So there will be this Two of Pentacles. This means that you will think whether to do this or whether to do that, but ultimately you will see clarity in this situation with the Ace of Swords, and you will be going towards progress. Ace of Swords means a proper decision, good decision with analysis and logic, and going towards success with focus. So you will be able to get over this indecision period and go towards your success. So in I have put your cards in line, three cards in line, and I see that every time there is a problem you are going to resolve it, because by the end of in the end line I get resolution for you. So this is like I got the 10 of Cups, I got the Fool, I got the Ace of Swords. So this means that you are going to take a plunge, you will be happy in whatever you are doing, and you will have the truth, clarity and knowledge to go towards your goal. So finally your outcome is, I see that it is World card. This means positive result of whatever you are doing in this month. So some of you will be completing a task, completing a important task, and you will be successful. Some of you will be taking a travel overseas, some of you will have international contacts or international business, you will crack a deal with foreign partners, you can have the world for yourself through your job or your business. Any insecurity which was coming through, Five of Pentacles or Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords means any crisis situation will end. Any backstabbing, lack of information, or jealousy, or all the small little petty things which affect you in your organization or in your business, or a kind of loss which took place maybe in the recent past, the feeling of lack or loss in your business, it will all go away. It will all go away. You will see collaboration with friends with the Three of Pentacles. Your work will be seen, your work will be up and out for people to see, and you will be accomplishing something you will be successful in your endeavors in the month of September. So in regarding your money situation, I am seeing that money will come and go very fast. You will be spending for maybe big assets, maybe some of you will invest, so be careful. There is a Judgment card. This means that money situation can change drastically. There can be a change in money situation, so be careful while investing your money, be careful while doing stock and trades, be careful while buying some property. So or this could be a financial suit, a lawsuit against you. You might lose money in this, or you might win money in this. So there will be a judgment happening, there will be a drastic change in your money situation in the month of September. For people who don't have a job, for them I see that the job is not going to happen for most of you in the month of September. However, you can keep trying because it is showing the Chariot card. You will try to go towards your job with lot of focus. So there could be delays, there could be anxiety, but ultimately you will be able to get this job. So maybe in the month of September it does not come to fruition, or it might come to fruition by the end of it. You will have to wait with anxiety regarding your opportunity. So people who don't have a job, please be patient, because there could be delays and struggles, there could be problems, so there will be a bit of anxiety, but ultimately the Chariot card is coming. This means accomplishment and success, and going towards your goal with focus and getting the results. So this can happen to you by the end of September or by October. So people who have applied, they will get their call letters or their appointment letters, or feedbacks regarding their interview call, will get it by the end of the month, not in the beginning of the month. So be ready for delays, be patient about it. So this is what I see, Virgos, in your reading for the month of September in your career reading. So I hope you do well, you achieve something, and if you achieve something, please write to me, give me the good news, and please like and subscribe this channel if you have liked this reading and if it has resonated. Thank you so much. Bye bye.